Hello everyone. We thought we'd do a short video to just cover off a few frequently asked questions about our new sanitizer spray canisters, just to help everyone out. So, what surface area does each canister cover? Each canister covers approximately 750 square meters of surface. That is around 8,000 square feet. Is the canister refillable? No, canisters are not refillable. They are pre-pressurized, pre-filled canisters. So when the canisters run out, you just simply need to buy a new one. How do you dispose of empty canisters? Because the canisters are filled with a non-flammable substance, with a non-flammable propellant, these canisters are safe, once empty, to be recycled. There is a short process of making sure that this is safe to be recycled, and we will send you the details on how to do this with each order you place. Can I put my own substance in the canister? No, you can't, because these canisters, as mentioned, are pre-filled and are non-refillable. Is it like a fogger? No, these are not like fogging machines. These machines are specifically designed for sanitizing surfaces. So it does not do the job of a fogging machine. This is for sanitizing hard surfaces. Do you have to evacuate the area before use? No, it's perfectly safe to use around other people, and it's food safe, so you can use it in those kitchen areas. You don't need to evacuate the space. Is the spray safe for use on IT equipment? As mentioned in the previous video, it is perfectly safe for use on IT and electrical equipment. With this said, you need to use common sense, and it's a light mist over the IT equipment. If you soak a piece of IT equipment, you are definitely obviously going to run into problems, so use it sensibly. I really hope this has been helpful. I hope this has answered some of your questions you may have, and please do get in touch if you'd like to discuss this further or to place an order, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.